Are you over 60? Then listen up, because every single night, while you're peacefully sleeping, your muscles are silently disappearing. Yes, you heard that right. Not during your invigorating morning walk, not when you're enjoying your day, but overnight as you rest. This isn't just about feeling a little weaker when you wake. It's about losing your crucial strength, your precious independence, and your vibrant vitality, one quiet night at a time. But what if I, Dr. Jonathan Miller from Better Life After 60, told you there's a simple, scientifically backed secret to stop this invisible muscle drain and even rebuild your strength, all while you enjoy a good night's sleep? Stay tuned, because today we're revealing the 10 surprising bedtime superfoods that will transform your nights into powerful, muscle-building machines. Welcome to Better Life After 60, where our mission is to empower you with scientifically backed strategies to age well, stay strong, and live actively, embracing every moment after 60. Today's episode tackles a silent yet pervasive epidemic affecting millions of seniors worldwide: nightly muscle loss, often referred to as nocturnal sarcopenia. You see, it's not just the natural process of aging that's causing your precious muscles to vanish. It's critically linked to what happens when you're not fueling your body correctly before bed, leading to a state of overnight catabolism. Before we reveal the solutions, let's deeply understand the why behind this phenomenon. Every single night, your body enters a prolonged state of fasting. For 6, 8, or even 10 hours, you're going without any incoming food. Without a continuous supply of protein and essential amino acids, your body, in its ancient wisdom, begins to break down its own precious muscle tissue to scavenge the nutrients it desperately needs to maintain vital functions and survive. This destructive process is known as catabolism, and for seniors, it's unfortunately far more pronounced and severe. Why, you ask? Because after the age of 60, your body's ability to efficiently utilize and respond to protein becomes less effective. This crucial phenomenon is known as anabolic resistance. This means even if you consume what seems like an adequate amount of protein during your waking hours, your muscles might still not be receiving what they truly need to recover and rebuild overnight. But please don't despair. As Dr. Miller, I assure you, a simple strategic adjustment to your bedtime dietary routine can not only halt this insidious decline, but actively promote overnight muscle regeneration, making you wake up stronger, not weaker. Get ready to empower yourself and transform your nights into powerful, passive muscle-building opportunities. Today, we're counting down the 10 absolute best science-backed foods that you should aim to consume 30 to 60 minutes before bed to safeguard your precious muscles. These are not just random snacks. They are strategic nutritional tools meticulously chosen to help you wake up feeling stronger, more vibrant, and truly rejuvenated, rather than experiencing that insidious overnight decline. So grab your notepad, because you're about to unlock the secrets to fueling your body for optimal overnight recovery and enduring strength. Starting our countdown at number 10, figs. These naturally sweet fruits are packed with vital minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These aren't just for bones. They're essential for proper muscle function, helping with contraction and relaxation. Magnesium, in particular, is a natural muscle relaxant and sleep aid, helping you achieve deeper, more restorative sleep where muscle repair truly happens. Enjoy 2 to 3 fresh or dried figs about 10 minutes before bed. Coming in at number 9, salmon. While tuna is good, salmon and other fatty fish like mackerel offer a powerhouse combination: high-quality protein, muscle-building vitamin D, and abundant omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are potent anti-inflammatories, crucial for reducing muscle soreness and promoting efficient repair. Plus, they can actually help you fall asleep faster. A small portion of baked or grilled salmon for dinner is perfect to provide these vital nutrients for overnight recovery. At number 8, we have the humble but mighty kiwi fruit. These fuzzy green gems are surprisingly rich in serotonin and melatonin, your body's natural sleep-inducing hormones. Better sleep means better muscle repair. Studies show kiwi can improve sleep quality in seniors by up to 40%, increasing that crucial deep sleep where muscle growth hormone is released. Enjoy 1 to 2 fresh kiwi 30 to 60 minutes before bed for a sweet and beneficial treat. Our number 7 pick, tart cherry juice. This tangy drink is bursting with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, alongside natural melatonin. These compounds significantly reduce muscle stiffness and inflammation, which can be a major hurdle for seniors, while also improving overall sleep quality. A 2019 study showed a 33% decrease in morning muscle stiffness. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice before bed. At number 6, almond butter. Just 1 spoonful of this creamy delight combines healthy fats for sustained energy release, plant protein, and crucial magnesium. Magnesium is vital for muscle relaxation and preventing night cramps, leading to a deeper, more restorative sleep, which directly translates to better muscle recovery. It also helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that can contribute to muscle breakdown. Enjoy 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter about 30 minutes before bed. Moving to number 5, warm milk with turmeric. This golden elixir, a traditional remedy, is a powerhouse for senior muscles. Milk provides casein protein, calcium, vitamin D, and tryptophan. But the magic happens with turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatories, essential for soothing joint pain and halting muscle breakdown. Warm 1 cup of milk, add 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric and a dash of black pepper for enhanced absorption. It's a perfect muscle-healing nightcap. Our number 4 pick, hard-boiled eggs, small yet mighty. Each egg delivers about 6 grams of high-quality complete protein. What makes them exceptional is their high leucine content. Leucine is the pivotal amino acid that literally switches on muscle protein synthesis. For seniors experiencing anabolic resistance, this direct activation is invaluable. 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs 30 minutes before bed are easy to digest and provide that crucial muscle-building signal. At number 3, Greek yogurt. Beyond a delightful treat, Greek yogurt is a comprehensive muscle-preserving meal. It's loaded with casein protein, offering that slow, steady release of amino acids. Crucially, it also contains probiotics, which enhance gut health and in turn improve the digestion and absorption of all vital nutrients, including protein. A study showed a 26% increase in nighttime muscle protein synthesis. Enjoy half a cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Our penultimate pick, at number 2, cottage cheese. This unassuming dairy product is an absolute champion for overnight muscle preservation, thanks to its incredibly high concentration of casein protein. Casein is absorbed slowly over 6 to 8 hours, acting like a time-release nutrient drip, consistently feeding your muscles throughout the long fasting period of sleep. This steady supply is paramount for preventing muscle breakdown and promoting anabolism. A half cup before bed is perfect. And finally, at number 1, the undisputed champion for maintaining, repairing, and actively growing muscle after 60, even without intense exercise, the whey protein smoothie. Whey protein is unparalleled in its amino acid profile, particularly its abundance of leucine, the ultimate light switch for muscle protein synthesis. For seniors whose bodies exhibit anabolic resistance, a high-quality whey shake before bed delivers that powerful, direct signal to your muscles to grow and recover. A 2021 study on individuals over 65 showed a 22% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis and gradual improvements in strength, walking speed, and balance, all just from this simple addition. Mix 1 scoop of premium whey protein isolate with water or unsweetened almond milk 30 to 60 minutes before bed. It's easy, fast, and incredibly effective. You now understand, clearly and scientifically, that muscle loss isn't just a daytime concern. It is happening every single night, silently eroding your strength. But with these 10 science-backed bedtime strategies, championed here at Better Life After 60, you now possess the knowledge to actively defend, rebuild, and even get demonstrably stronger with each passing night. Your simple yet powerful challenge for tonight: pick just one of these amazing foods. Try it consistently before bed for a week and truly pay attention to how you feel in the morning. The difference might surprise you. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean weakening. You can absolutely still get stronger at any age, one intentional night at a time. If this episode from Dr. Jonathan Miller and Better Life After 60 was truly helpful to you, please do us a favor. Subscribe to our channel for more scientifically backed tips to thrive after 60. Leave a comment below to let us know which food you're excited to try first, and importantly, share this vital episode with someone in your life who needs to hear this empowering information. Thank you for watching, and here's to a stronger, healthier, and more vibrant you, building a better life after 60, one night at a time.